I have nothing but respect for these competitors. Make no mistake, I am cocky in prediction. I am confident in preparation, but I am always humble in victory or defeat.
I say I'm everything and more, and you can't tell me any different. You knew rappers cool, but you fought from competition. The best white rapper to emerge since 9/11. Semi-suicidal beats, I get them all into heaven. I got some pull with the man, I'll even pull for your man. Although we don't like my music, his girl's a hell of a fan. Today's Mike Jordan, but I'm fading from humble. I slam my chest like Harambe to gain respect from the jungle. Said I'm the clutch man, feeling like the jump man. Flinching at legends, laughing out loud when they jump, man. There's something about the things that I never got. So focused on myself, I just laugh when they taking shots. I just laugh at they little plots. You don't upset the dude, I'm glad you hate. Let pops raise you, then admit it when you graduate. Hey, you my son, I son you rappers, let me show you some. You never heard or seen a legend? Let me show you one.
I'm enjoying the fruits of my hard work. Nobody works harder than me inside the octagon, outside the octagon. I am a workhorse, so I'm gonna enjoy the benefits of this life.
Nothing but classics on the way, I can't stop it. Game-changing flows for the logo, hit deposit. Grammys coming soon, watch the price hit the moon. Should've asked for autographs and laid off that auto-tune. You can't tell me shit about the past. Fuck who I've become, you never thought this shit would last. All the fans and messages can really switch the view. It's crazy what a couple follows really actually do, hey. We the men they try to be, just by acting us. We the clique that people follow to get back in touch. We the ones that people mention when they acting tough. We the guys who please your girl until she had enough. They laugh and joke like I'm playing, sometimes I wish I was. They used to say I sounded local till I caught my buzz. Either the world got quiet or I just don't listen. What's an opinion when a legendary artist spitting?
He said, but it's beautiful. For me, I love this. I love proving people wrong and proving my support right. That's what it's about at the end of the day, you know. This is all fun and games to me. I love it, love it, love it.
I studied for this test and I turned out to be the answer. They calling me the cure, but yet I'm sicker than the cancer. A walking legend, hawking people like I'm fucking Jason. I killed your favorite rapper, now I happen to replace him. Hey, you rappers just rappers, I'm genius, watch me plot. Every verse I spill my chest that make your beats wanna just stop.
Why you gotta do me like that? Why you gotta do me like that? Why you gotta use me like that? Why you gotta use me like that? Why you gotta do me like that? Why you gotta do me like that? Why you gotta use me like that? Why you gotta use me like that? Yeah.
Okay, you know me, you owe me all the time you told me, you show me all the ways you grow me, you phone me when I got money, you hold me, but I know it's phony, you faking, then we texting, you flaking. Told myself to be patient and now my whole body aching, and I'll be going to get it alone, knowing the way and I'm ready to go, knowing I'll never be ready to slow, knowing the money is ready to blow, knowing I've never been telling no lies, knowing I'm never gonna show a disguise. Hit up a bone and I'll be in the skies, I just been hoping that nobody dies. I've been working, no lurking, I'm murking tracks and I'm certain, I'm curving, phone on disturbing, I'm busy, who with me, I got no time for burdens, I'm burning, see the top and I'm flirting, but I'm thinking about the time I could've had it, I've been wondering.
Why you gotta do me like that? Why you gotta do me like that? Why you gotta use me like that? Why you gotta use me like that? Why you gotta do me like that? Why you gotta do me like that? Why you gotta use me like that? Why you gotta use me like that? Yeah.
Almost famous, almost known, always out on my own, yeah. On the ground like every night, can't take me out of my zone, yeah. Playing this all at 15, 20 now when it came true. Killing every track, killing every verse, that's just what it came to. Every city we ran through, they wanted more. Groovy girls wanna settle down, but I just ignore. Sorry babe, gotta fade away, making noise, I got 808. I can't help if you fall in love, can't stay around, gotta get away. Don't hit me up, last year you turned me down. Ever since you saw my name in lights, you came around. Why you do me like that, yeah, tell me why you do me like that, yeah, tell me why you do.
Why you gotta do me like that? Why you gotta do me like that? box top down, just looking around for my ex bitch. Ooh, when I see her, I'ma pull up and flex, bitch. I've been running my bands up for these niggas talking they check shit. Ooh, when I see her, I'ma pull up and flex, bitch. I know y'all been hating on me, but now look at my flex, bitch. All these cars, all this ice, all these hoes, let's flex, bitch. Now run your check up, go to flex up, flex, bitch. Every chance I get, I gotta flex, flex, bitch. I know the police sick of up, selling pounds off the popsicle truck. Set 100 bricks by the mailbox and tell UPS to come pick it up. I got 50 bands in the grocery bag and told my young niggas go split it up. All of this shit can't fit in the casket with your nigga, live it up. These broke hoes still waiting on me to come pay the bills, bitch, give it up. You gotta get the fuck up out of here when your rent is up. Fuck boy, got locked up and said send him something, I'm like send him what? Flex, bitch.
Let the band play.
All of us got bankrolls, you a selfie nigga, we the whole pack. You the only one that got something, what about them niggas they roll with? Bitch, I ever go get her and book back down from no nigga. Some of y'all niggas come down broke, you too old.